again, guys. Welcome to Curie Kids Cafe.
Yes,
this is the newest indoor playground dito po sa Angeles City.
And at the same time, this is the newest cafe also para sa mga adults naman.
So in here, meron po tayong dalawang section sa Curie Cafe. The first level is for the kids.
Yes, which is
and kids at heart.
Which is ito yung nakikita nyo. So meron tayong mga playgrounds,
correct,
playing station, mga jungle, at the same time, yung trampoline.
So let me mention isa-isa po yung mga sections nila dito. So they have like the beauty section, yung hospital, may blocks section doon.
Yes, meron tayong market and kitchen.
So, isa pang nag-enjoy sila dito is yung fishing. May fishing area sila dito.
Yes, actually napaka-interactive na mga lugar or yung mga activities dito.
Yes.
Lalong-lalo sa mga kids.
Aside from that, so meron silang fire station, police station, wherein they can actually parang feel like they're policemen.
Yes, and in addition, they could wear yung mga costumes nila.
Correct.
And feel mo na you are in character.
In character.
And speaking of costume, they can also rent yung mga costume natin dun sa harap. Like yung mga dinosaur, yung mga princess, Korean traditional suit, mga soldier, and iba pa.
So more of the sections dito, guys, meron din silang camping zone, meron din silang yung ball pit, and pagkatapos nun, I think dito mag-enjoy yung mga kids and adults.
Yes.
Yung trampoline area, grabe.
Actually, even ako kanina, sinubukan ko, kayang-kaya naman yung mga adults.
Now, on the second level naman nito, which is the 5th floor of the building, I think this place is for the adults.
Yes. So, kung gusto nyo naman tumambay, mag-coffee, mag-chill, or mag-event, pwedeng-pwede dun sa 5th floor nila.
Actually, Mark, speaking of coffee and food, panit tayo ngayon doon.
Yes.
Tingnan natin yung mga pagkain.
So, puntahan natin yung kanilang 5th floor and to explore na rin. So, tara, let's go!
So, just to let you know, guys, si Curie Kids Cafe has 2 floors dito po sa building na to. So, the second floor that they are in is actually for, I think for adults na to, no? So, while your kids are enjoying yung play area dun sa baba, this one, you know, can have a time of a date, no, probably. And even if hindi nyo kasama yung mga kids nyo, guys, dito, ang lugar na to, it's also great for mga barkada, no? Ang ganda ng view dito, guys. If you have a private event like birthday or anniversary or anything that needs an enclosed place, ayan, guys, ito, naka-close to. And then the rest is al fresco. Dito, guys, makikita na natin yung mountain range. Ito yung Timog Triangle.
Ako naisip ko to for magandang araw to for a family day kasi you could play with your kids at the same time dito sa 5th floor you could chill naman.
So again, guys, I think this is towards the end of our visit dito po sa Curie Kids Cafe, and if you notice, ito po yung mga example ng mga pagkain na they can serve dun sa baba, dun sa 4th level, or dito sa 5th level kung saan ito nga yung pinaka parang
cafe nila.
Exactly. Yeah, what a nice place to, you know, have a time with your family. With
Actually,
your kids.
This is a family place for the kids and for the adults.
Yun. So we're gonna enjoy the food and also the place. Before we leave you guys, ano yung mga information natin dito?
Curie Kids Cafe is located dito sa may Top G Building, Barangay Cuayan, Angeles City. And they are open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And for weekends and holidays naman, nag-extend sila hanggang 12 midnight.
So take note, guys, ang pinaka-landmark nito is coming from the Cuayan intersection. If we're going to Clark, left side po siya. Less than 100 kilometers, makikita nyo na po yung building. And we hope to see you here.
So we will enjoy this food. Habang kumakain tayo, magpapaalam na muna kami.
Yes.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends, and we hope to see you here.
Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.
Bye.